Guys, today we will see how to install a Prometheus on a CentOS. So we are going to follow these steps mentioned in this document. So I have shared the link for this repository to install the Prometheus. So we'll follow these steps. So first we need to download and extract the Prometheus. So let's search for Prometheus. Download Prometheus. So here we can see the version for Linux. Copy its link and duplicate command and paste the link that we have copied. Wait for the binary file to get downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, we need to extract that binary file. The file is almost downloaded. Okay, so you can see the file is downloaded here. Now we will extract this file by using command tar xvf Prometheus. Okay, so the file is extracted. You can see this is the extracted file. Now we will follow the next step. We need to create a Prometheus user to run our Prometheus application. So for that we will need to execute this command. So it will create a new user with name Prometheus, and it will not create any home directory for that. It will only run the Prometheus service. So let's run this command. Okay, the Prometheus user is created. Now we need to create the directories for configuration and data files for the Prometheus. So we will run these two commands to create the directory for Prometheus configuration and for storing the time series database. So let's copy this command and paste it. So the directories are created. Now we will change the permission of the recently created directories. Sorry, we will change the owner of the recently created directories to the Prometheus user. So we will execute this command. Okay. Now the next step is we need to copy the binaries from the extracted folder to the newly created directories. Okay. So first we need to copy the Prometheus file to our newly created directory and prom tool file to this directory. So we'll copy that file. So I will navigate to the Prometheus extracted directory. You can see Prometheus here. So as per the command, we need to copy this Prometheus file to it's a user command. Sorry. So we need to copy this console file to the Prometheus. So this type. we are already in the directory, so we will remove the path of that this file and directly copy that file. The file is copied. Now we are going to copy the prom tool file, the local bin. It is also copied. Now we need to change the ownership of the copied binary files. Okay, the ownership is changed. Now we need to copy the console and console libraries. So let's copy this command. As we are in directly, as we are already in the directory, so we don't need to mention the complete path. Same with the other one. Same for the console libraries. Now again we are changing the ownership of these two files to the Prometheus user. Copy this command and execute it. Okay, now we will move the Prometheus configuration file, that is prometheus.yaml, to this directory. So let's do this. Okay, so all the files are correctly copied. Now we need to enable the Prometheus and start the Prometheus service. So for that we have created and system control file using this command. Okay, so the Prometheus is installed, but we need to create a service so that every time Prometheus will automatically run when the Linux machine is started. So for that we need to create a service file in the system directory of the Linux machine. Let's do that. So we need to create this prometheus.services file, prometheus.services file under this directory. Okay, so we have opened it, and you need to paste the contents of prometheus.service as mentioned in the GitHub repository to that file. So I'm copying this. So what it does is it will automatically start the service whenever the Linux machine is started, and we have passed the configuration file from the directories which we have created. So for configuration files, we have created this directory as mentioned in the previous steps. Okay. For storage of time series database, we have created this directory where lib Prometheus. For web console, we have this directory. So respective directories are for respective files. So we need to paste the contents of this to the newly created file that is here. So I've pasted this. Just save it. Now we need to reload the daemon. So the daemon is reloaded. Now we will check the status of Prometheus. So for checking that, we need to execute system control status Prometheus. So you can see it is inactive right now. So we'll start the service by typing the command system control start Prometheus. Now let's check the status again. So you can see the Prometheus is running. We will also enable the Prometheus service. So here we are enabling it, means whenever the Linux machine is started, it will automatically start the Prometheus service. So let's start the service. We have successfully enabled the service. Once again, let's check the status of the Prometheus. You can see the service is active and running. Thank you.